Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change language on Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to general management. Okay, tap this. In general management, you can see the language. Tap the language. Okay, here in language, the language at the top of the list will be used by default. If an app doesn't support your default language, the next language in the list will be used instead. And okay guys, here in my language, so I have one language on my Samsung Galaxy A02, the English Philippines language. To add the language, okay, you'll have to do is tap the add language. And you can see the list of available language with different countries. Okay, you can scroll down for more. You'll have to do is select one of these language. So okay, I decide to change into English. Okay, tap the English. In English, so you can select the language. So I set the English and United States. Okay, tap this. And after you tap the language, so the pop-up below are show. Then set English United States as a default language. So you can keep current or you can set as a default. So I decide to keep the current language on my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, sir, you can see the another one language you set on this Samsung Galaxy A02. Now you can change it the language by selecting this second language or English United States. So tap this, and after you tap the language you want to change on this first one, so tap the apply button. And that's it. The English United States is the default. To remove the existing language, you'll have to do is press and hold the existing language, and you can see the remove or delete icon button. So tap this, and the pop-up are show. Okay, remove English Philippines. So text will continue to be shown in English United States. And okay, to remove this existing language, you'll have to do is tap the remove button. And okay guys, we have successfully changed the language of my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.